What if everyone became a king?
No need. I am already a king.
Huh? Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if everyone became a king, everyone might try to build a palace for themselves. Not much empty space will be left. Secondly, if everyone became a king, nobody will be available to work in the palace. The king will have to do all the cleaning. Thirdly, if everyone became a king, everybody would want a golden crown. There may not be enough gold available to make them. Fourthly, if everyone became a king, maintaining a palace is very expensive. Some kings might give their palace up. Fifthly, if everyone became a king, not every king will have his own subjects or army. Some kings may get extremely bored. Lastly, if everyone became a king, some people may start eating lavishly like a king, but may give up on exercising. These people may gain weight.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if our head becomes 10 times bigger?
Cool. Now I will look 10 times smarter.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, wearing t-shirts will not be possible anymore. Some people may solve this problem creatively. Secondly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, people who love to do makeup may have to spend the entire day doing the same. Thirdly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, we may need 3 to 4 hairdressers to cut our hair. Fourthly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, watching a movie in a theater might become almost impossible. Fifthly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, we will surely need bigger caps and bigger umbrellas. Lastly, if our head becomes 10 times bigger, some people may not be able to balance themselves. They may keep on falling. What if our neck becomes 10 times longer?
My neck is paining. Will it pain 10 times more?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, giraffes will get shocked. They might start avoiding us. Secondly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, some people might start buying extra jewelry to wear it all over their neck. Thirdly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, we may not be able to balance ourselves easily at first. Many people may fall down. Fourthly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, our hands will not reach our face anymore. We may require help to comb our hair. Fifthly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, entering a car will not be easy. People may start removing car roofs. Lastly, if our neck becomes 10 times longer, the person with the longest neck in the world may get super rich.